Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how can add risk reward ratio in NinjaTrader. So go to the pencil right here, click on that one and you'll see risk reward and just drag with your mouse down and click it again to save it. And right now if you want to add it and customize it, just double click it, and if you go to the value display unit right here, we can select for the price, percent, ticks, currency, or pips. So for this example, I will choose a currency and basically click apply it. And as you can see, now we have the currency right here. So you can minimize it, drag it, or whatever you want to do with it. So just to customize again, double click it and you can select custom colors and etc. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything and comment down below for the algorithm. See you in the next one.